Ako nang gihatag nimo.
Huwag niyong hayaang mamatay ang apoy sa pagiging romantic, sa pagiging sweet, kumbaga. Kasi yan ang nagpapayabong sa iyong marriage life.
Tinatanggap kita, Judy Ann Lavisores,
Upang maging aking asawa,
upang aking maging asawa,
upang makasama ka at mahawakan ka.
upang makasama ka at mahawakan ka.
Tinatanggap kita, Reggie Magallanes,
Tinatanggap kita, Reggie Magallanes,
upang maging aking asawa,
upang aking maging asawa,
upang makasama at mahawakan ka.
upang makasama at mahawakan ka.
Reggie and Julian, I will encourage you, put God first in your life. Make sure you trust the Lord whatever happened. Make sure that He is the foundation, the big rock of your union. And I really believe no matter comes your way, I believe you have a beautiful, successful, and amazing marriage. Build God's way and you will walk to the favor and blessing.
I've been practicing this my whole life, and now I want to thank you for making my fantasy into reality. I'm in awe right now, being with you, and right before all of these people. I want to thank you for all the things you do. Thank you.
I thank God that He gave me someone who made me realize that I'm worth living. I thank God